So when we look at about the nightmares, especially when you see about the night terror, the dreams, various dreams that people will get, especially the children are getting the various dreams, especially at the night time, which we call as the nightmares. The dreams also divided into so many dreams, so which we call as the day dreams and night dreams, and which we call as the life changing dreams, and false dreams, lucid dreams, and the nightmare, etc. So all these dreams sometimes is the prophetic dreams also. So that is in fact is the genuine and true most of the times. But even whatever the dreams we will get, but is it genuine? So sometimes it is the false, most of the times is the false dreams the children will get. What could be the reason to cause? So in order to study the dreams, which we call as to study about the dreams is oneirology. So that is the study of the dreams. So in this condition, once we wanted to know about the various dreams, so when you understand where the biochemical changes in the brain system which causing all this problem, at the same time the rapid eye movement, which we call as rapid eye movement, REM, right? So when these movements are getting in the night time, especially they sleep, the children, surface level he sleep, but he don't go deeper level. People says, so I don't get sleep at all in the night time, in the deeper level. Whatever things are happening around me, so whatever people are talking or doing some activities, that it's listening to my ears, and I came to know. So what it understand, the eyes movements are very rapidly moving during the sleep time, even that also triggering it to get the various dreams. So no doubt the other reason also, when the person is not getting the proper digestion, that also leads to this problem. In this condition, due to that reason, there are the 2 acupuncture points to be recommended to activate and to bring down the unwanted dreams or horror dreams, so which we called as either you will get the negative dreams, which we call as a lucid dreams, so or you will get the horror dreams, so anything related to the unwanted disturbing your sleep, and that condition, normally the pleasantable dreams, it comes to you that one way is good, around 5 to 20 minutes the dreams, it comes in naturally, it goes the excessive time, or maybe once you will forget after you just awakening, or with the horror you will get up that what is vicinity next to you. So this and all, this kind of the night terror dreams can be happen to children and also for the adult. So for that there are the 2 points I can recommend. So that one point I told you, this point to be called as a Qianxi, that means is the 4 fingers above from the ventral wrist crease, and then place it this point to be called as a pericardium 5. So another point which we call as a stomach 45. You understand, the people who take the late food in the night time, the dinner will be very late, even that condition also causes the nightmares and night dreams it causes. So you understand, when the proper digestion not to be taken place precisely, that leads to the dreams, unwanted dreams or horror dreams. Even that condition to bring down the stomach energy downwards direction, rather than getting down, it ascending upward direction, which leads to the problem of the mental related conditions, which leads to the problem of the which causes the insomnia conditions, sleeplessness, even that conditions. You just add up the another point called as a Li Dui. That point is stomach 45, the pericardium 5, and then stomach 45. There are the 2 points can be activated. Any kind of the dreams are happening, certainly that good to bring down unwanted dreams. So therefore you understand this stomach 45 and then pericardium 5, both are crucial to regulate our nightmares. You understand?